Here's a map of Europe from the 1500s.
Okay, so today we're going to look at the map distance from Wittenberg to Rome. So you remember in my class we were talking about Martin Luther and how he started the Reformation movement by tacking on his 95 Thesis on the church doors. And that message then got all the way to Rome and the Pope. So today you're going to measure on the map and find the distance from Wittenberg to Rome. And the distance on the map is 3 inches. 1 inch equals 200 miles.
So, answer the problem by using a proportion to determine the actual distance from Wittenberg to Rome. Martin Luther.
Here we go. Okay, for Dr. Atkinson's class, you're going to do a question on Major General John Sedgwick's 6 Corps march from Manchester, Maryland to Gettysburg, PA. Okay? Now there are a few things we need to go over real quick for the question. To march to march for the 6th Corps, a common step, which is a normal pace that they would march, is 210 feet per minute. Okay? If you quick step it, which means you're hurried at a hurry pace, it's 256 feet per minute. If it's double quick step, we are almost at a running pace, and it's 454 feet per minute. Right? He has to march 30 miles for this. So the question you have to ask is how long, if they used 5 miles at the quick step, 20 miles at the common step, and 5 miles at double quick, how many hours would it take them to get there? Okay, and now, just so you see, the actual route he takes is he goes from Manchester down to Westminster and then up to Gettysburg, which seems odd for a historian why he would do that. I don't know why you just wouldn't go directly north, but he went that way, and that's the route you're figuring out for the hours.
Don't forget, you're rounding your answer to the nearest hour. So here's your data again. Good luck and safe walking.
Hey guys, Mr. Postel here with your question for Wednesday. So we're about to celebrate Columbus Day, and a lot of people think of him as the first European to set foot in the Americas. But in reality, there were Vikings, specifically Eric the Red Son, Leif Erikson, who most likely was among the first Europeans. Now, he wasn't by himself. He was likely in a large group. They found a settlement where he landed in Nova Scotia, and we think that he wintered for a year, sometime around 1000 AD. So they're fairly certain it was between 2 to 4 years before or after 1000 AD. So my question to you would be, could you write a compound inequality of the type that we've been writing this week that would show the likely time when the first settlers from Europe, the Vikings, were here for that one winter? So again, the information is going to be that it was likely between 2 years before to 2 years after the year 1000. So can you write a compound inequality that shows the time the earliest Vikings, Leif Erikson and crew, were in America, in Canada, between 998 and 1002, between 998 and 1002.
So last week, 7 Algebra 1 students scored a perfect score, and in keeping with my promise and the teachers promising you guys, if anyone got 100, you would be eligible for the drawing for a free pizza. Drum roll, please. We're now going to draw for the pizza. So there's all your names, all 7 of you that scored 100. And you can see Dr. Atkinson's not looking. He's picking a name. And it is
RUI.
Roy gets the free pizza this week. Congratulations, Roy. Good work to all 7 of you. He got another shot today. Roy, you can't win 2 weeks in a row, even if you get 100.